Welcome to Nkuringo. We welcome everyone here. We help, we love, and we care.
Nkuringo Lodge is located in the southern sector of renowned Bwindi Impenetrable Forest.
Nkuringo Bwindi Gorilla Lodge has been a special place for most of our clients, and we have seen this through the reviews. We have seen this through the votes that we receive as the Uganda's leading safari lodge.
So we have 8 private cottages, which can be arranged into a double room, a twin room, or a triple room according to our guests' needs. We also have a spa. We named it Mist Spa, which caters for all your massage services.
Nkuringo prides itself in its eco-tourism support to the community and its green endeavor. We tried our level best to use recyclable paper. We try our best to ensure that the client that stays with us is also supporting our initiative in conserving or protecting the environment. And that is the uniqueness of this place.
So while in Nkuringo, you can always do the famous activities renowned for the Bwindi forest as gorilla trekking or gorilla habituation. Birding in Bwindi forest or visiting the pygmies, famously known as the battle people. So you can visit them in their settlement or in a forest so that they can show you how they used to live while they were in the forest.